Hello everyone. Whether you have decided to start the school year off face-to-face with us in the classroom or participate from home, the goal is the same, and that is to stay safe while continuing to learn no matter what the future holds. And the last part of that means that we need to be prepared, if we need to learn from any place. We could be face-to-face in the classroom one day, and then the next day we need to be learning from home. So that makes it very important that we are all familiar with the web tools and technologies that will help us be successful from any location. So you are about to begin one of your first assignments. It is a scavenger hunt. And like all scavenger hunts, it's a personal journey, one that you must make alone. Hopefully you will discover something about your soul and character. Now, because this is an independent activity, there's a chance that you will find yourself lost or not knowing what to do next. And I'm here to tell you that if you find yourself lost, not knowing what to do next, that means you have missed an important piece of information. So make sure that you read everything that we're asking you to read, okay, and everything on the page. If we ask you to watch a video, watch the whole video. Don't stop it with 10 seconds left. It might be those last 10 seconds which has that important bit of information which will bring you to your next step. So don't assume that you know where the scavenger hunt is headed. If you do that, you may end up taking longer than it needs to. That ends the background portion. Your first clue to take you to the next step is access the Schoology calendar for October the 31st. Good luck.